Hey everyone, Thomas from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois. Today I have the pleasure of showing you guys this 1987 Buick Grand National 3.8 liter turbo automatic overdrive transmission. Beautiful paint, nice glass, weather stripping, trim, upgraded wheel and tire package with the US mags, as you can see there, guys. Nice all around. We had the thing wet sanded and buffed out. Nice crisp glass on the car. Dual exhaust. Just a really nice example of a 1987 Buick Grand National. This one has a clean Carfax report. No accidents shown. Only 4 previous owners. And this thing just got in from the state of Florida. Beautiful car all around, guys. Runs, drives, stops as it should. I would like to show you guys the interior of the vehicle. I'm going to start the vehicle. There's a whole bunch of literature in the trunk, a few extra parts in the trunk as well. Let's check out the interior, show you guys how clean it really is. Super nice, as you can see there. Nice door panels, beautiful bucket seats, console upgraded, gauge package, tilt wheel, cruise control, power steering, power disc, air conditioning, no cracks in the dash, as you can see there, guys. Just beautiful interior, super clean. Let me show you guys the engine compartment and the trunk. A whole bunch of stuff here, guys. A lot of literature on the car, okay? Full of paperwork, original center caps for it. So all of this extra parts goes with the car. Factory RPO sticker, which I took a picture of for you guys to check out. Let's check out the engine compartment. I'm going to start it. I want you guys to hear it. All right. Let's grab that key. Car has 59,137 original miles. There you have it, folks. If you need financing, you will need good credit score between 630 and 770. You will need 10% down on the purchase price of the vehicle. Rates start at the 8% range. We have very long term for low payments. 180 months for low super payments. You can find the application at MGMClassicCars.com. You guys can check that out there. If your score is over 775, I can get you a rate that starts at 6.49% with no money down. If you need delivery, please call or text. My number is 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching MGM Classic Cars.